how to fix the issue of no sound in Messenger voice messages. Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device, these steps will help you get your voice messages working perfectly again. Let's get started. First, let's make sure your volume settings are properly adjusted. Open your Messenger app. Ensure that the phone is not on silent mode or on do not disturb mode. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. Next, we'll check the app permissions to make sure Messenger has access to your microphone and speaker. Go to Settings. Now scroll down and select Messenger. Ensure that microphone and notifications are turned on. For Android, go to Settings, tap on Apps or App Management, find and select Management, then tap on Permissions. Make sure microphone and notifications are enabled. With the correct permissions, Messenger should be able to access your microphone and play sounds correctly. Sometimes simple updating the app or reinstalling it can fix them. Go to your App Store on iPhone or Google Play Store on Android. Now search for Messenger. If there is an update available, tap Update. If updating doesn't work, try uninstalling and then reinstalling the app. Updating or reinstalling can often fix bugs that cause issues like no sound in voice messages. And that's it. Those are the steps to fix the no sound issue in Messenger voice messages. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.